Hello folks, welcome back to Tool Training Tips. My name is Levi Woodley, and today I'm going to show you how to operate our pressure washer. Alright folks, to start off today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the gas. Move right here. You'll unscrew this and place the gas in there. Always make sure you have gas in your pressure washers. If you try to start it without gas, it might break. Down here, here's where you can check for your oil. Same thing with the gas, make sure you always have oil in it before you start it, or it will also break. Here, this is where you install your soap. Depending on your project, you might not always need soap, so keep that in mind. And now I'm going to show you how to start our pressure washer. It might seem complex at first to start these, but with a little practice, you'll see that it's very simple. To start off, you're going to set your engine to on. Then you're going to make sure your choke lever is set to start. This is how you know it's set to start, when it's all the way on the right. And then you're going to come down here. You'll see closed and open. You always want to make sure your fuel valve is open. So you're going to pull here on this string until it starts. And once it starts, you're going to come down here and you're going to move it from start to run. Be sure to let it run for a minute or two, as starting it right away could damage the pressure washer. Sometimes you'll have these nozzles. These are for separate jobs. So if you take a look at our electric pressure washer, we have different nozzles at different settings. The different degrees controls the abrasiveness. To install these nozzles, you'll place the nozzle in the hole, make sure it clicks, and then you'll make sure this is up to lock it in. And to remove it, you'll drop this and open this up. Always make sure your hose is screwed in all the way so that all the water can get in and no water's spitting out. This is our water source. If you come here, always make sure that this part of the hose is screwed in all the way. You don't want any pressure or any water leaking out. Be sure to open up your water source before starting any project with the pressure washer. If you look over here, these are our electrical pressure washers. One thing to keep in mind, you always want to make sure your plug is away from any type of water or water source. You don't want it to get wet and short out the mechanism. To make sure this is working, you go and press reset. It should flicker off and on. Come here to test. The light will turn off. And then you go to reset again. And if it flashes green, that means you're good. Once you do that, turn on the water. Turn on the pressure washer and you're ready to begin. The closer you get to the ground with the nozzle, the more dirt you'll be able to get off. The further away you are, the less amount you'll be able to get off. So keep that in mind when you use the pressure washer. When finished with the pressure washer, the most important thing you want to do is make sure you clear all the water out of this nozzle. Then you'll come and disconnect it from the pressure washer. Then you're going to squeeze the handle to let the excess pressure and water out. Thank you for watching this tool training tip. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the tool bank at any time. Thank you.